So this is my app right here. It's about learning your lefts and your rights, and it teaches people who still have a confused idea about this concept, their left and their right. Right now, it's still in development. However, this is what I have right now, and I plan on adding designs here and here of actual hands pointing left and pointing right, so you can learn better, and you can have some images to help you learn from your lefts and your rights. So the app starts off with you just being here, and it gives you the option of left or right. It doesn't really ask you. You get to decide. And if you click left, it takes you to the screen where it shows you went left. So we're going to reset now. And if you run it again, and this time if you hit right, it takes you to an image or a text where it says you went right. And that is the learning intention of my app, where it teaches you from your lefts and your rights.